Some kombucha squash. Okay. See, huh? 강수야, this one 강수야 is too tough. I'm gonna take your jacket, okay? I'll check out one.
over your mind.
I'll back for a secret tool that you can use so you don't have to use the knife and hack it Hawaii.
Yeah.
This is a dish inspired by a virtual cooking class that my friend and I taught last year. It was kombucha squash with whipped ricotta, honey, and cumin with sage. But I don't have whipped ricotta and I'm putting my spin on the spices. I was at the local grocery store and as I was at the checkout, I saw an older man and he had 2 bunches of roses. I said, hey sir, those are some nice roses. He's like, yeah, they only cost $8 and they're for my wife. A little something makes her really happy. And I was like, I really respect that. That's a beautiful thing. I'm taking notes. I'm going to do that. And then I asked him, I was like, well, what do you do when you get something for someone and they don't really like it or you know, it's not the right one? And he said, you know what? Don't overthink it so much. And I was like, yeah, you're absolutely right. It's the thought that counts. And that really stuck with me. Because a little does go a long way. Just the intention of him wanting to surprise and delight his wife. We tend to overcomplicate things. It's the thought that counts. It's the intention. At the same time, I think in order to really surprise and delight someone and make someone's day, it's important to listen and really know what someone likes. So a little olive oil, smoked sea salt, cinnamon. I set my intention for positivity. I'm gonna make it with my heart. I'm not gonna make it with my head. That was some nutmeg, cloves. When you say you love someone, you don't say, I love you with all my head. You say, I love you with all my heart. So the simple act of me cooking something, I'm gonna cook it with my heart. Put my hand in here right now and transfer my energy in here. Mix this around with my love. And then when you eat this with someone, you make a special meal for someone, I think it's something that could be felt, not here, but here. My hand smells good. Eating food made by someone who really cares about you, that's true love. Until it's cooked. So I have 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add 1 cup of quinoa, a little bit of salt. We're gonna put this on the stove top, bring it to a boil. I see what I have and I intuitively make something new. I got some sage from the garden. It's a beautiful herb. Quinoa's looking good. Now how's this gonna cook? Maybe it's best not to... Alright, it's not really like ricotta, it's like a sauce. But to make it next level, dragon plate, it's chips, so you know we use it. Silken tofu sauce, put it on the left side.
I win! I've won! No, I'm not done yet! Burning finger with the left hand!
Okay, sweet. That. Restore the dragon. Pumpkin seed on the mountain, and a little bit more sauce on top of the mountain. Here's my kombucha squash with quinoa, sage, a silken tofu sauce, and pumpkin seeds. And I made this with love and care. See, now it doesn't look that good, but let's try it out. I definitely like it. My leave, I shall take.